Hey, third graders, welcome to Expanded Notation, Part 2. Okay, before we get into today's lesson, I just want to review what we did for Friday. It's not what we're doing today, but I just want to go over it one more time. Here's a review. On Friday, we practiced this skill where we took a number and we wrote it in expanded notation. 3,865, when we write it in expanded notation, looked like this. 3,000 plus 800 plus 60 plus 5. That's what we did on Friday. Well, what are we going to do today? Okay, so today we're going to kind of do the opposite. I'm going to give you a number that's already been expanded. Then you're going to write the number that goes with it. Well, what does that mean? So what's 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5? What's that standard number, or what's the normal way we do that? So today when I give you a number like that, 4,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 5, you solve it by writing the number, which is that, 4,325. Notice the 4 is in the thousands place, 4,000. 300 in the hundreds place, 20 in the tens, and 5 in the ones. 4,325. You take this and write that. Here's a clue. Notice our biggest number has 1, 2, 3, 4 places. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Our biggest number. Our answer is always going to have the same amount of places as our biggest number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Turn that into that. Let me give you another example. Okay, let's take a peek at another example. So if I gave you 500 plus 20 plus 7, then you're just going to write the answer in standard notation, which means just the number. Well, let's look again. Our biggest number has 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. This time it only goes to the hundreds. Okay, here's a little hint. If my biggest number in the problem is 500 and it has 3 places, ones, tens, hundreds, then my answer is going to need to have 3 places: ones, tens, hundreds. Okay? Okay, so if you got the pink 500 plus 20 plus 7, and you now want to write the answer in normal numbers, or standard notation it can be called, then each number has to go down here. Aha! The 500 goes in the 5 in the hundred spots. The 20, which is 2 in the tens, the 2 goes in the tens, and the 7, which is 7 in the ones, goes in the ones place. So you change the top pink part. Your answer is the black bottom part, 527. You're just writing the number that addition problem tells you to write. Okay. I want to do 2 more examples because I want to make sure you kind of know what to do. Pretend I gave you this in green on your paper. You have to solve it. 6,000 plus 800 plus 40 plus 2. Okay, remember 6,000 is our biggest number, so I need 4 places in my answer: ones place, tens, hundreds, and the thousands. And there is my answer: 6842. 6 in the thousands place, 8 in the hundreds place, 4 in the tens place, 2 in the ones place. That's how it works. Let me give you one more to look at. Okay, last example. If you're not getting it right, if you're almost getting it or not getting it, I would just watch the video one more time. It's like 5 or 6 minutes. You can handle it. So again, I'll give you a problem like the one in green. What's our biggest number? 4,000 this time. Not the hundreds, it's in the thousands. So I need 4 places. 1, 10, 100, thousands is going to be my biggest place. Okay? Hope you're seeing the pattern. So 4 in the thousands, there's my thousands place. But I also have 4 in the hundreds. There's my hundreds place. I also have 4 in the tens. So I need a 4 in the tens. I got a 4 in the ones. So I got a 4 in the ones. I hope what you're seeing is that this is like the opposite of what we did on Friday. On Friday, I gave you this and you turned it into that. Today, I'm giving you this and you're turning it into that. Good luck. Watch the video. Remember, it's always going to be okay to get help. Bye-bye for now.